Hi group. For one of our last projects of the year, we are going to create a double exposure using Snapseed, which is an app that you can download on your mobile device. Before we get started, let's look at what some double exposure um, photographs look like, so you know kind of what we're going for here. So a double exposure photo can create these really beautiful, um, almost eerie images, which is really cool. Um, it's kind of really trendy right now, and I think you all would really enjoy doing it. So the first thing we need to do is download the Snapseed app on our mobile devices. It is a free app. You can go to the Google Store or Apple Store, the App Store, and download the app immediately. Next, you're going to need to find or take an image of a person. So I'm literally just going to Google person on white background. The kind of image that you're going to start with is an image like this, where you have a person on a white background. You don't want to have any stuff behind them. Um, they can be full body, they can be just the bust, they can be from the side, they can be from the back, however you want it to be, but it needs to be a person. It can be a photo that you take yourself, or it can be one that you download. So you're going to need to find that image and then save it to your phone. So if you're doing it on your computer, either email it to yourself so you can save it in your camera roll, or do the search right on your smartphone, and then that way you can save it into your camera roll. So first picture is of a person on a white backdrop. The second picture, you're just going to need what you're going to put into your double exposure. So this is going to be the layer that is behind or on top of, well, actually on top of your figure. So in this case, this person has trees and forest. Same thing with this person has a bridge or a city kind of thing happening there. She's got an ocean in her brain with some rocks. So now you're looking for a an image that you want to put inside. So I'm going to put tree landscape. Right? So you're just looking for something like this, something that has some texture to it. It can be literally anything you want as long as it's a photograph and it's not like a cartoon or something like that. Okay, so again, download that image and then save it into your camera roll. So you need both of these images on your camera roll so that way you can use Snapseed. So now that you've downloaded the app and you have both of your photos in Google Classroom, there is instructions, and well, there's also a link to the App Store and the Google Play Store. There's also this Google Doc right here. In this Google Doc, you have the instructions. So this assignment is due June 3rd. It's probably going to be one of our last assignments. Again, links to the Apple Store and Google Play. This is what the app icon looks like in case you can't find it. There will be a link to this video tutorial right here for instructions. And then if you scroll down to the next page, there's also going to be a video of the step-by-step tutorials. But then if you don't want to listen to me yabber on, you can follow along here and work your way through the written tutorials. So this will take you step by step, start to finish, on how to edit your photo, mask your photo, and then create a double exposure. At the end, when you're done, you want to make sure you export your double exposed photo to your camera roll and then upload that JPEG to the Google Classroom. It will be the easiest if you have the Google Classroom app right on your phone, because then you can upload right from your camera roll. If you don't, email it to yourself and you can attach it in Google Classroom on your computer.